Every infection starts the same way. A pathogen finds a path. It moves from one host to another, spreads through an environment, and if left unchecked, creates a chain of transmission that can impact entire facilities, operations, and communities. The good news: break just one link in that chain, and the spread stops. Infection spreads through a predictable sequence known as the chain of infection. It begins with an infectious agent, a bacteria, virus, fungus, or parasite. That organism lives within a reservoir, finds a way to exit, travels through a mode of transmission, enters a new host, and ultimately infects a susceptible individual. Every infection follows this pattern, and every contamination control strategy is designed to interrupt it. Decontamination targets multiple links in the chain at once. By eliminating or reducing microbial contamination on surfaces, equipment, and within environments, it prevents pathogens from spreading and finding new hosts. In healthcare, pharmaceutical manufacturing, research laboratories, and other high-risk environments, this isn't simply good practice, it's essential. Effective contamination control relies on three key processes. Cleaning removes visible dirt and organic material, reducing bioburden and preparing surfaces for treatment. Disinfection follows, using chemical or physical methods to destroy microorganisms and reduce contamination risks. And finally, sterilization represents the highest level of control, eliminating all forms of microbial life, including highly resistant spores. Together, these layers create a comprehensive defense against infection. Not every environment requires the same level of decontamination. Healthcare facilities, pharmaceutical cleanrooms, and containment laboratories often demand more stringent controls than lower-risk environments. Factors like pathogen type, material compatibility, workflow requirements, and facility downtime all influence which decontamination strategy makes the most sense. That's why selecting the right technology and applying it correctly is critical. Today's advanced biodecontamination systems help facilities achieve more consistent, repeatable results. Automated vapor and aerosol technologies can reach areas that manual cleaning may miss, improving coverage while reducing variability between operators. These systems not only improve efficacy, but also help support safety, documentation, and regulatory compliance. Technology alone isn't enough. Personal protective equipment remains a critical layer of defense for anyone working in or around contaminated environments, and even the best systems require proper training. Understanding microbial behavior, disinfectant chemistry, equipment operation, and contamination control protocols helps ensure that every decontamination effort achieves its intended outcome. Because consistency is what turns a process into a strategy. Decontamination is more than a cleaning activity. It's a fundamental component of infection prevention. It protects people, preserves research, safeguards products, and supports public health. And when done correctly, it breaks the chain of infection before contamination has the opportunity to spread. Every contamination control program has one goal: stop transmission before it starts. By combining effective cleaning, disinfection, sterilization, proper training, and the right technology, facilities can create safer environments and stronger infection control strategies. Because when you break the chain of infection, you protect everything that depends on it.